Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Facebook reviews for your site in My BigCommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is what? Yes, Facebook reviews. So now you want to click sign up for free. You want to sign up with the Google or Facebook and just create the email here. And when you will have it, then just click login. You will see here applications. You want to write to your search Facebook. And now you're gonna see like Facebook reviews, and let's create a widget. You have options between choosing carousel, slider, grid, masonry. I'm going to choose the Facebook reviews. I like this the most. Continue. Now you got like widget title, connect your Facebook. And then you got layout, masonry, grid, slider. You can really choose which one you like. And then you get like review here, review look how it looks like, and style, changing colors and everything. So now when we have it, let's just click save. After this, you need to choose a plan, guys. You can start with a light one, 200 views per month, if you're citing or just starting out. But if you got like 5,000 views or 50,000 views, choose a basic or pro version. That's much better, much easier to use. So this is what is really important. Now, let's got the Facebook reviews here and let's copy the code. Now, what we want to do is come here and drop widgets here. So add HTML. Let's delete what we got here and let's paste the nice and let's click save. And let's see how the Facebook reviews looks like in our BigCommerce site. Perfect. What you can do is to do this. If you see that it's on left side, you want to add a layout. Now, duplicate. This is not what I wanted. So let's just add HTML here. Save HTML. Let's delete this one here. Okay. Let's click save. And let's see how it looks like if we got it in the middle. But I think I need to play around it. Yes, it's not in the middle because we need to yeah, I know what I did wrong here. I know exactly what I did wrong. You know what I did wrong? I should have created this. Look at this. I know how to do it. How? Give me a second. I will solve this once and for all. Oh my god. So I don't know why it's not working right now, but I'm going to solve this so hard. Now here we got it, finally. Yes, layout. But let's click here, let's column to it's all bugged. Oh my god. But this is how we do it. So you want to create a free layout. I'm going to show you how we can do it. So, okay, we have a like layout here. Nice. We go with a free. Nice. And you put it to the middle. HTML to the middle. Save, save. Now it's going to work perfectly. Yep, here we got it. And you want to move this, and you got it to the middle. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.